Assalamu alaikum. This one is the page number 58, and this one is a revision of the past tenses: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, perfect continuous. Use the correct form of the past simple to fill the following blanks. Use words given below. Here we have the words, and we need to add in these sentences according to the past simple or past continuous. But here we have instruction of just simple past, so we need to add according to the simple past. Just like we dash delicious food at their house. We here we have eat, and we just need to change it into the second form and write it ate. Use correct form of past continuous. Now these sentences are of the past continuous. Here we have the helping verbs, and we have to add in these fill in the blanks. The paper dashed in all directions due to strong winds. Paper, what is paper? Paper could be fly. The papers were flying in all directions in strong winds. Okay, this one is the page number 58. Then move to the page number 59. Here we have another. Use correct form of the past simple or continuous to fill in the following blanks. Here similarly, this is the paragraph, and here we have the words also, and you just need to change it into the simple past or past continuous according to the sentence. You just need to complete this first paragraph.